am the founder of Project Help You Grow, and today I want to talk to you about Grow and Excel. What is Grow and Excel, you might ask? Thank you for asking. It is a live event in San Francisco on Thursday, October 17th. It's going to run from 6:30 to 9 p.m. It is an RSVP only event, which means if you don't RSVP and you come to the event, we have to turn you away at the front door. We can't let you in. That's the policy. Sorry about that. That is what it is. So why would you want to come? Well, let me tell you why. There's actually several reasons. First of all, it is free, and that is the favorite price of most people I know. If you can get something for free, especially something of value, then it's worth checking out. And this, my friends, has value in spades. What spades am I talking about? Well, thanks for asking. I am talking about free networking and a training event where you can learn how to grow and excel, build your profile, and a lot more. Before I talk about how you can build your profile, don't underestimate the value of networking in person. I'm talking about an opportunity to network with about 100 people locally, and even more because I'm going to kick off Follow Me Friday live from the event. Follow Me Friday is something I do every week on LinkedIn, where I invite basically the entire platform to join in and engage in the comments of a post where we get to know each other, we get to gain access to followers, and we also make connections. So you either build stronger relationships with people you already have met before, or you meet new people. In either way, it helps you to grow. Follow Me Friday is great at helping you build your network. The class will teach you what to do once you've built it, and even continue how to build it with other strategies. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you how to build your profile from scratch. Your profile photos, your headlines, even your name, your title, all of it. I'm going to talk about what to do with your cover photo. I'm going to talk about what to do with your About Me section, the headline, those 5 attachments that you have access to. I'm going to teach you how to build posts. I'm going to teach you about hashtags. I'm going to teach you about the algorithm. What makes the algorithm happy? What makes it mad? Pitfalls to avoid, things to do. And we're going to talk about pods and groups. We're going to talk about basically from A to Z how you can grow and excel on LinkedIn. So take a look at this outline. I'm covering from A to Z how you can grow and excel on LinkedIn. Plus, don't forget the Follow Me Friday, advantages of networking live in person and all the advantages that has. You really have nothing to lose and everything to gain by coming to this event on October 17th in San Francisco. Okay, have I made the case? You're a job seeker, you're an entrepreneur, you are a sales professional, you're somewhere in the Bay Area of San Francisco, or you have the ability to get here. You're on the fence. Should I come or should I go? We want you to come. Help us make it even bigger and better event. We are going to have a good time. We are going to network, and we are going to learn a lot. If you're looking to grow on LinkedIn, if your success is tied to LinkedIn at all, you owe it to yourself to come and learn how to grow and excel for free with me, Ira Bowman, founder of Project Help You Grow, at WorkWise, with my sponsors, WorkWise, Accent Care, and Project Help You Grow. We hope to see you there. If you are watching this on LinkedIn, please hit the follow me button. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel so you can see future videos. And if you are on projecthelpyougrow.com, go ahead and hit the events page, hit the RSVP, send me an email letting me know that you want to come so we don't have to turn you away at the door. My name is Ira Bowman. Have a great day, everybody.